Crypto Future Vision, real-time cryptocurrency price prediction system presented by Shanuka Peiris. Okay, let's talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. So, it's basically a digital currency that is not controlled by any central bank. Instead, it uses a decentralized network of computers to keep track of transactions and make sure everything is secure. So, the first ever cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, and it was created back in 2009 by a person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, lots of other cryptocurrencies have popped up, each with their own unique features and uses. Also, people are using cryptocurrencies more and more as a way to pay for things or as an investment. But even though it's becoming more popular, it's still a new idea, and we don't really know what's going to happen with it in the future. Okay, so have you ever noticed that the price of cryptocurrency can change really fast? Yeah, that's because there are lots of factors that can impact the price. And it's important for people who invest in cryptocurrencies to understand these factors. First, the price of cryptocurrency is affected by how many people want it. If a lot of people are buying it, the price will go up. If not many people want it, the price will go down. Another factor is government regulations. If a government announces that it's going to crack down on cryptocurrencies, for example, the price might go down. But if the government makes positive changes, the price might go up. Likewise, technology also plays a role in the price. If a cryptocurrency technology gets better, like if it gets faster or more secure, the price might go up. And finally, the media can also impact the price too. If a cryptocurrency is getting a lot of positive attention in the news, or if more and more people might want to buy it, the price might go up. But if the news is negative, fewer people might want it and the price will go down. So, investing in a cryptocurrency can be a very tricky business with prices constantly fluctuating. But with the help of a cryptocurrency price prediction system, you can stay ahead of the game and make smart investment decisions. Imagine having a real time information on the prices of cryptocurrencies at your fingertips. That's what a cryptocurrency price prediction system offers. By providing up to date price predictions, you can be more confident in your investment choices. Not only that, but a cryptocurrency price prediction system can also give you insights into why prices are moving the way they are moving. By understanding the different factors that can impact cryptocurrency price, such as market demand, regulatory changes, and media coverage, you can make more informed decisions. In short, a cryptocurrency price prediction system can be a valuable tool for any investor looking to make smarter investment choices in the fast paced and ever changing world of cryptocurrencies. Okay, now let's talk about the proposed solution. So, this is an architecture diagram of the overall system that is being implemented. The first layer is what the user of the system would get, which includes the user interface of the system. Next is the logical layer, which includes all the functionality of the system. This layer will include the core price prediction model, the data preprocessing unit, live data fetcher, as well as if the user authentication is required, the necessary functionality will be implemented as well. Finally, the data layer will include all database required to store information important for the system. Okay, so let me give you an overall overview about the solution. First of all, the system is designed to make real-time price predictions, and the system will predict the price of a cryptocurrency using both price and sentiment data. The price and sentiment data is collected every minute for 7 days to train the model. Sentiment data is collected from the Twitter API, and the price data is collected from an open crypto API. Live price and sentiment data is fetched and preprocessed each minute and fed into the system for real-time predictions. The system will use either multiple models or one best performing model for the final production. Now let's take a look at the implementation of the core functionalities. This is a machine learning script to predict cryptocurrency prices. It uses historical price data collected every minute and a type of neural network called long short term memory, LSTM. First of all, the data is loaded and pre-processed. This involves reading the data from the file, from a file, dropping the time feature, and scaling the remaining data between 0 and 1. Next, the data is prepared for the LSTM model. This involves dividing the data into sequence of 60 times steps and using each sequence to predict the price at the 61st time step. The data is then split into training and testing sets with 80% for training and 20% for testing. The neural network is created using Keras with two LSTM layers and a final dense layer. The network is trained on the training data for 100 cycles called epochs, and the performance is measured on the test data. The final result is the test loss, which represents how well the network was able to predict the cryptocurrency price. It is worth mentioning that the model will continue to be optimized and improved to increase the accuracy and the performance of the predicting improve the performance in predicting cryptocurrency prices. This is a Python script that allows us to retrieve tweets related to Bitcoin using the Twitter API. The code uses the TweePy library to interact with the Twitter API and get the tweets. To retrieve the tweets, we need to first set up our Twitter API credentials, which includes the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. These credentials allows us to authenticate our connection with the Twitter API. Once we have set up our credentials, we use the auth handler class of the TweePy library to authenticate our connection to Twitter. After this, we can create an API object using the API class of the TweePy library, which we will use to retrieve the tweets. The script then enters into a loop that retrieves the latest 100 tweets related to Bitcoin every minute. We then we can use the search method of the Twitter API to retrieve the tweets, passing in the keyword Bitcoin and setting the number of tweets to retrieve to 100. The retrieved tweets are then printed, and the script waits for 1 minute before retrieving more tweets. This is a simple Python script that retrieves the prices of Bitcoin in US dollars in every minute. The code uses request library to make a request to the CryptoCompare API and retrieve the price information. The script starts by defining the URL of the CryptoCompare API, which provides the price information for Bitcoin in US dollars. The script then enters into a loop that retrieves the prices of Bitcoin every minute. In each iteration of the loop, the script makes a request to the CryptoCompare API using the request.get method, and if the request was successful, the script passes the JSON data from the API response using the response.json method. The prices of Bitcoin in US dollars is then extracted from the JSON data and printed. If an exception occurs during the request to the API, an error message is printed to indicate the problem. The script then waits for 1 minute before making another request. Right now, I have finished the parts where the system collects live data every minute from different APIs. I have also completed one of the main functionalities of the system that predicts price of a cryptocurrency using historical price data. Prediction using sentiment data is currently in the development phase. Also, I'm planning to add an user-friendly front end for the system so that people can easily see the predictions. Also, we'll be combining both price prediction and the sentiment analysis parts for better accuracy. Lastly, I will be working on improving system's performance and fixing any bugs that might be there. With that, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching.